It's recording.
Alright, this is Dr. Zach. Chicolo Gill. Chicolo Gill has been playing for like 11.77 and a half years. So, if you have the feeling to like jump off your computer, you know, just restrain yourself because you might want to hear this, so. The song is called African Pie. There is a food that everybody wants to have. It's called African pie. It is so good inside my stomach. When I'm walking in the house, I want it. When I'm in the park, I need it. When I'm in the bathroom, I'm getting rid of it. But it's so good. African pie is so good for me. People are looking for African pie in the stores, but they can't find it 'cause I've bought all